Well, this is Brian. Welcome back to the engine project on the white tractor. I'll make a two-part video. You can see the first part for us getting ready to replace the engine. It's about 2 hours later and we have it all in place. Let me show you what we did. Stand by. Once again, it took us about 2 hours to get the engine in. It went very good. You can see the front bolt is in the motor mount. And the trick was getting this mechanism, I'll point to it, right back in here to engage. It's a splined affair, but it went relatively easy for us. It slipped in, just a little bit of jiggling. And let me show you how we lifted it. I didn't show you in the first video. Adam made a lifting piece with grade 8 hardware. And we had the bucket on the John Deere tractor, and the John Deere didn't even know the motor was hanging from the bucket. And then we used these components. These are the tools that we have to do the job. Of course, the chain was on the engine. Then we used this chain hoist. And in that manner, we lowered the engine right into the mounts. I didn't get it on video because it went in so fast, but that long PTO shaft just slid right on in. Probably because everything was lined up when it came out and the tractor hasn't moved. But it was nothing to slide that long shaft in. It just went right on in. And by the time I thought about filming it, it was already in. And then as a bonus, there was a hole in the radiator. There was a tube soldered in there one time, and we soldered a piece of brass in there and patched the hole in the radiator as well. So the engine is in. As I mentioned, it only took a couple hours, went in very smoothly. There's still this chain hoist in the strap that's holding the tank up. That's all it's doing. That'll come down next. And the radiator, which we just patched up, will go in. And then Adam, well, he's taking a break right at the moment, but he can finish this up then in a couple days. So once again, thank you all for watching. Bye now.